So I'm just going to pause that video there. This is PD Tech, guys, and this is my analysis of a video I've just spotted, and it's the first human drone transportation and crash video. It's on my community tab. I've shared it on there. This looks like some kind of agricultural type drone, quite heavy duty looking thing. Sounds like it's gasoline engine type. It's definitely a petrol engine, really heavy duty kit, and that is a little kid being sort of dangled from it. This is an incredible video. Just watch this. This is wrong on so many levels, honestly. It looks like it's in America as well by the look of it, and you'd think it'd have a little bit more sense. Now, I don't know whether this is his dad. This is his dad's drone, and this is his little lad. I suppose it's got to be, hasn't it? You're not going to like dangle some random kid off the bottom of your drone, are you? So this must be his kid, I'm guessing. So you've got all sorts of, parenting issues going on here. I certainly wouldn't put my kid underneath a petrol-driven drone like this and sort of dangle him. So let's just carry on looking at this. So that looked pretty tame, that bit there. Just took him up a little bit, dangled him. He sounded like he was a bit scared, but I think that was just more playing up for the camera. So I must admit, he's a brave little kid. I don't think I would have done that at that sort of age, But just think about the things that could possibly go wrong. What if the thing flew away, or it just, went out of control or something? Well, just carry on watching and you'll see. So yeah, it looks safe-ish. There's not too much, we're not taking him too high. We're just moving him a little bit, and it's all very controlled. And there's no cables around. There's a few trees there in the background, but nothing, nothing sinister looking yet. But just hold on. It was quite windy there, if you noticed, a lot of wind noise in the... So I'm guessing this is his little sister. She's not quite old enough to be dangled from the bottom of the drone yet. I remember my little sister went to this adventure playground once, and we went down one of these zip line things, and I went down it, and I was about his age, and my little sister was probably about that little girl's age there. And she sort of hung on to this thing. It was quite high up, must have been 10 foot plus high up. And as soon as the thing set off, she was dangling from it. She just dropped the whole 10 feet onto the floor. Luckily, she was fine. She didn't break nothing off. But she was really shook up by it and, really upset. So I'm guessing this little girl's not going to be dangled by this drone. But let's have a look, see what this little lad's doing. Because he is very, very brave.
It's a manufacturing paint.
Colty 7.
Colty 7, yes. Colty 7. And
he's got all the safety gear on anyway. He's got the helmet on with the little spiky bits on the helmet.
The reason why I got a helmet is on is because you're about to see with this back.
His sister definitely doesn't look too sure about it. She's looking at the helmet thinking, I'm glad it's him going on it and not me.
You get scared.
About to take off. Keep your distance.
Wait, it's behind her.
Yeah, definitely scary. And that thing makes some noise when it starts up as well.
Okay, I gotta go.
Hold it steady, Colt. Hold it steady, Colt.
Well, he looks really keen to get underneath it and hold on. So we're just going to raise the drone up a little bit, and he's going to lower it down above his little lad, I'm guessing, which is pretty dangerous in itself. And then he's going to hold on and hope, I guess. But if you notice here, we've got a few more dangers in the background. We've got a building, we've got a fence, we've got some vehicles around. So we've definitely got some more dangers here. Let's carry on and watch.
Move away from him if you have to.
So that thing He's definitely got some power. You can tell when it takes his weight, and it's definitely got some power there. It's got some lifting capacity, that's for sure. So we're going sideways quite fast here, and I'm seeing a road, and I'm seeing a fence, which at the moment is exactly the same height as is sort of top of the fence as it is sort of chest level, I would have said. So we're going to have to get some altitude to get over that, or now we've got an inquisitive dog, and his little sister's sort of getting in a bit close there as well. I'd be a bit wary of that as well.
Get out, Matt, run! You good? Okay, Matty Ice, how'd that go?
So yeah, it crashed, but I'm good. I'm tough. I did.
Well, he's definitely trying to style that one out. Yeah, he's good. He's all right. Helmet's off. The drone's broke. I don't know what happened there. It sounded like it clipped something. I don't think it clipped the fence, but it definitely clipped something. Whether there's a cable there or something, or I don't know. He cleared the fence. He had to lift his legs up, but he seems okay. He's not hurt. He's not broke anything. But I mean, that could have been so really bad. That could have been really bad.
We're gonna get a dummy. I mean, we're gonna cut a picture out and make like babies in it and stuff, and then we're gonna hook it onto here, and we're gonna make 5 hours with it, and then we're gonna do
Of test flights, 5 hours with the dummy?
Yeah.
What do you think, Colty 7?
I think that sort of worked.
Was that pretty scary when you saw your friend flying through the air and then crashing?
Hard when it popped out.
I wonder if he wants to have a go.
Yeah, you did great, buddy.
I'll go with it.
But the drone's good? We got the parts to replace it?
You can see when I fell, my leg got like twisted up like that.
Oh, his dad's more concerned about the drone. Yeah, the drone's good. We've got the parts to replace it. Is the little kid all right? I don't know. Has he broke anything? Sprained anything?
Yeah, so you're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, we'll say like and subscribe, I think.
Yeah, totally. You better like and subscribe for me, because that was tough. Better. You better. This, not
Yeah, that was tough. Yeah, definitely. He's a brave little kid, that's for sure.
this. You better punch that like, subscribe thing, and you better just leave it there. You don't do the. Yeah, give it the thumbs up.
Thumbs up it is.
And that's the end of the video, guys. That little kid's a star. He's definitely going to be a YouTube star one day. Okay, hope you enjoyed that video. I just thought I'd share that. I just watched that tonight, and I was astonished, to be fair. Take care. Bye-bye for now.